Hello, welcome to Student Success 101 series. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. Today we're going to be looking at time management and the planning fallacy. You have a lot of projects and tasks that you have to do while you're in college, right? The planning fallacy is something you need to be aware of and you need to prepare for. So basically the core of the planning fallacy is that we aren't good at planning. That's everyone. That's human nature, right? We are not good at planning things out, right? We regularly underestimate how much time it will take us to do something. We do this continually, right? This is true even if the task is something we've done before. We're bad planners as human beings, right? So why does this happen? Well, there's a lot of reasons for this, but optimism bias is one of them, right? We just want things to go faster for us, right? Optimistically, yeah, I'll get it done quickly, right? We also have wishful thinking that, yeah, you kind of hope you get it done faster, right? That's the plan. And you also have to deal with a self-serving bias, because if you can get this done faster, right, you can do other stuff you want to do, right? And there's a bunch of other reasons, okay? So how do we counter this, right? Well, what I recommend students doing is counter this by doubling your estimates as a starting point. Right, just as a starting point. And sometimes you might have to go a little higher or you can reduce it, right? But you want to just automatically just double things to start to get a feel for things, right? So for example, if you think that the reading will take 1 hour, just schedule 2 automatically. Just double it, right? Okay. See, there are a lot of pros to overestimating than underestimating, right? So the pro of overestimating, right? So let's take that reading example, right? So you think the reading's going to take you 1 hour, but you schedule 2. And you only get it actually only takes you an hour. You have an hour of free time that you can do something else, work on another project, right? But if you schedule just 1 hour, right, and it takes you 2, you're trying to find an extra hour in your schedule, right? And your schedules are probably pretty tight. So watch out for the planning fallacy. So remember, when you're scripting your tasks, right, and your projects, be careful of the planning fallacy, right? The planning fallacy. For now, just double your estimates just to be safe. So look for more videos on time management in this series and reach out to your supports. And keep in mind, here at LCCC, we really do care about your success. All the best.